we just derived the speed of an object from the xt perspective if it has a v bar value from the x bar t bar perspective, and the relative velocity is v star. And the expression looks like this. Okay, so this is the speed, the relative speed of the two frames, and this v bar is the speed measured, the speed of some object from the x bar t bar perspective. So let's do a few examples. So let's say that we have a relative speed, v star, that's half the speed of light. And the speed as measured in x bar t bar to be v bar equal, let's just say it's half the speed of light, right? So our classical Newtonian idea of addition of velocities would say that the speed, right, if the speed of the object is to the right in the x bar t bar frame, then we would just add these velocities and we would get the speed of light from the xt perspective. But of course, that's not what we're going to get, because in relativity, we know velocities don't add. So let's look at this expression, right? It's not just this plus that. It's, in fact, that divided by something, and this something will make it smaller than the sum. So v would be 1/2 plus 1/2. That's the addition. And then we're dividing by 1 plus something, right? And we're multiplying these two speeds. That's a half times a half, which is 1/4. And this gives us, that's 1, and this is 5/4. So we get 4/5, right? 4/5 of the speed of light. And that's obviously less than the 1/2 plus 1/2, which would give us the speed of light. What about, let's look at a case where we have, so say the relative velocity between the two frames is 2/3 the speed of light, or 2/3 in this case, and the speed of the object as measured in x bar t bar is v bar equals also 2/3. What do we get? It's not going to be 2/3 plus 2/3, which would be greater than the speed of light, right? But it will be 2/3 plus 2/3 divided by 1 plus the two speeds multiplied by each other, and that's 2/3 squared. And this gives us 4/3 here, and then we're going to divide that by, right, we're squaring this. This is 4/9, and then we have 9/9, so we have 13/9, and so therefore, what does this become? It becomes 12/13, and of course, that's less than 2/3 plus 2/3, but it's also, more importantly, less than 1, right? Because it has to be less than the speed of light.